In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase speed of a speech in ElevenLabs. By the end, you'll know exactly where the speed control lives, which model you need to select to make it appear, and how to dial in a pace that sounds natural and clear. First, head to the ElevenLabs app in your browser. Once the app loads, look to the left-hand sidebar and open Text-to-Speech. This is the main workspace where you choose a voice and paste or type your script, and it's also where the speed setting is managed. Next, find Settings on the Text-to-Speech page. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a gear icon or a labeled section. Open it to access configuration options that affect how your audio is generated. Inside Settings, locate the Model option. This drop-down determines which underlying voice model processes your text. It's important because speed adjustment is model-specific. From the model list, choose 11 Multilingual V2. Selecting this model is the key step that unlocks the speed control for your speech. If you don't see a speed option later on, double-check that this model is selected. Other models may not expose the control you need for tempo changes. With the model set, adjust the speed. You'll see a slider or numeric control that lets you change how fast the speech is delivered. Drag to the right to increase speed, or to the left to slow it down. Subtle changes often sound the most natural. Think small nudges like 1.1x to 1.3x when you just need to tighten timing. If you push the speed too high, diction can start to blur, especially with complex words or dense sentences. For best results, keep punctuation and line breaks in your script. They help the model maintain phrasing even at faster tempos. Different voices may respond a bit differently at higher speeds, so adjust to taste until you get a balance of pace and clarity you like. That's all there is to it. Go to Text-to-Speech, open Settings, pick 11 Multilingual V2, and then fine-tune the speed to match your project's timing.